Hi there. I ordered some seeds for this year. So it's unboxing time. Labels. Did I order pink labels? Prickly pear. Purple perilla. Mitsuba. Lemongrass. Willow herb. Tarragon. Oldman sandbush. Fenugreek. Peanuts. New Zealand spinach. Peanuts once more. Basil. Junior melon. Melon cucumber. Radish. Different radish. Chinese long bean. I didn't order that. I ordered Joy Choy. Other package of peanuts. Mung bean sprouts. Other one. Thanks for watching.